Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Aisyatu Sultania. I am from a third grade English Tadris class with name 24210106039. Here I will read a motion about prohibit social media for children under 13 years. We know that the goal of government is to ensure the well-being and safety of its citizens, especially children, by regulating harmful influences in society. But what happens to the status quo is that many children under 13 years old are exposed to inappropriate content, online predators, cyberbullying, and excessive screen time, which negatively impacts their mental and emotional development. If government just keeps silent, it will bring a lot of problems. For the example, studies have shown that early exposure to social media can lead to anxiety, depression, and low self-esteem among children. Additionally, children are more vulnerable to online scams and privacy breaches as they may not fully understand digital security. Next, I will explain about the background of my motion. First of all, the primary goal of this motion is to protect children from harmful online content, cyberbullying, and privacy risks, ensuring that they engage in appropriate social interaction and digital expression. Next, to status quo. Currently, many children under 13 have access to social media platforms, often without adequate supervision or understanding of the risks involved. This unrestricted access can lead to exposure to inappropriate content, online predators, and mental health issues. Problem 1. Exposure to inappropriate content. Children might encounter harmful or age-inappropriate material that can negatively affect their development. 2. Online predators. Young children are particularly vulnerable to exploitation and manipulation by online predators. 3. Cyberbullying. Social media can be a breeding ground for bullying, which can have severe emotional and psychological impacts on children. 4. Mental health issues. Studies indicate that early exposure to social media can lead to anxiety, depression, and low self-esteem. 5. Lack of digital literacy. Children under 13 may not fully understand digital security, making them susceptible to scams and privacy breaches. Solution: implement a legal framework that prohibits social media use for children under 13. Encourage thorough egg verification system. Platforms implement robust egg verification process to prevent underage access. Parental control mechanisms. Tools that allow parents to monitor and control their children's online activities. Legal consequences. Penalty for platforms that fail to comply with age restriction. Definition of the motion. The motion proposes that the government will implement regulations that legally restrict children under the age of 13 from creating, accessing, or using social media platforms. This includes platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and other online networking service. The prohibition will be encouraged through a verification system, parental control mechanisms, and legal consequences for platforms that allow underage users. Stakeholders 1. Children, the primary group affected by the motion. 2. Parents and guardians responsible for monitoring their children's online activities. 3. Social media companies must comply with regulation and implement necessary change. 4. Educators concerned about the impact of social media on children's learning and development. 5. Mental health professionals focuses on the psychological effects of social media on children. Next, team split. 1. Why should the government prohibit social media for children under 13? Answer: the government should ban social media for children under 13 because it can be dangerous. They may see harmful content, talk to strangers, or get addicted. It can also affect their mental health and school performance. 2. Why is prohibiting social media for children under 13 effective? Answer is it is effective because it protects children from online dangers. Without social media, they can focus on studying, playing, and having real-life friendship. It also helps them avoid cyberbullying and bad influences. 3. Why should children under 13 be forbidden from using social media? Answer: children under 13 should not use social media because they are too young to handle it. They may believe fake news, share personal information, or get bullied. Waiting until they are older can keep them safe. So many explanations about the motion. I apologize if there are mistakes in words that are not pleasant to hear. So thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.